What's up, YouTube? It's been a while. Welcome to the Maintenance Man channel. My name is Neil. Getting back into the tool videos here. Is just going to do a little update on the huepar. We got some bricks. Those are drilled, but I can go around those. This is a non-drilled brick, and I think we went into this somewhere. Yeah, with the hyper tough hammer drill. This is a big sucker here. So, and I got my old trusty Ryobi SDS hammer drill. This is the old brushed version. This is a brushless. Both have 4 amp hour batteries. I'm basically just going to turn the camera around and just, start drilling stuff, and we'll see how they do. I just do want to say this is great for knocking up tile. It had the wobbly chuck looking thing on it, but that has not been an issue for drilling in anchors and stuff into the side of buildings and whatnot. And this is old reliable there, man. So should be pretty fun to see what these things can do. Cordless SDS hammer drills. This I got for $100, and I spent another $50 for another 4 amp hour battery. I think it was $50, might have been 40, I don't know. It came with a case, and it does have a handle and stuff, but I'm just going to go handle-less because that's how the old Ryobi is. So, they actually just came out the new version of this that looks like this, and I'm probably going to pick it up, not going to lie. This has been awesome for me over the years, so, let's get into it. All right, so I'm kind of hoping this all holds together here. We have a big 1-inch, it's a 1-inch SDS drill bit. This one is, let's see, pretty rusty here, 5/8. So we'll do 5/8, and this one is 3/8. So we'll start with this is probably a 1/2 inch here, 1/4 inch. Start with the 1/4 inch, and then I got some chisels and stuff, and we'll see if we can't knock anything off here. Let me get rid of the brick with the holes. I don't know how well this is going to do. Maybe I can bring it up to the front here, and maybe we'll just go brick for brick. Hopefully this just holds it down good enough. So the holes are here on the brick. So I'll put them on the inside, and I'll drill in this area here-ish. Let me see how we're looking on the camera. Oh, we're pretty good there. I like it. Get you angle my arm. It's always nice. Clamp this son of a gun down. All right, so start off with the Ryobi. By the way, these Husky tables, I bought this for like 70 bucks, bought 2 of them. It has a little router insert, you can put it has brackets, put 2x4s going out to put a big piece of plywood on top. Very nice stuff, I like it. So hammer drill mode, in the brick, 1/4 inch. Ain't no problem. All right, we'll go to the brushless huepar with the 4 amp hour battery on it here, and make sure I'm in that good old hammer mode, hammer and drill mode. I think it's right here. Here we go. Shoo-wee. Alright, that's not hammer, this is hammer. Alright, so we're just breaking the brick up. Here, we'll try it here. Alright, we're breaking that brick up. Alright, so you can see what that does. I think what we'll do here is, let's go to the, what did I say, 3/8, 5/8, 5/8 I think, 3/8. Alright, we're just breaking pieces off left and right. So we're just gonna go right into the big guy here. Brush this off. Set that down. Set some of these things up on there. And since I only have one of these, I think we're just going to bring out the big drill bits here and see what we get. So first we will start with the, this is the 5/8 right here. And we'll start with the Ryobi. So here we go. I'll go in the middle. Hard for me to get much leverage on that, but we got about that far in. We'll bring out the huepar. See what we get here. Go right in the front here. As you can see, it is making its way through. It's going to take a little while though. And might as well step it up to the 1 inch. Let's see if the Ryobi can even get this thing going in there. Whoo boy. The leverage is hard, let me tell you. Alright, let's see. Start of a hole there. Probably be there all day. Obviously, if you're going into something like this with these big bits, probably want a big corded one. Start our own hole back here. See what the huepar has. Maybe you guys can see how sketchy that was, but if it would have binded up, we would have found out if they had any safety or not. Alright, got a little chisel here. See if we can't try and chip some of this apart. So it is, I mean, it's going in. Let me get closer to the edge here. And you know, it helps if I just go into just hammer drill. There we go. There we go, busting that out there. Try the old Ryobi here. Uh-oh. What we got going on? My chuck just break? But then it did. It's been a fun ride. Ho ho! There we go. There she is. You know, bust good. Alright, last but not least, let's just do this wide chisel for poops and giggle. See what we get here. Chipping away pretty good. See, I bet these are very light duty SPS hammer drills, but like I said, for me they've been working great. Alright, we are going to try one last thing. I don't know if I'm going to have the muscle to do it here, but let's see if the huepar can get this 5/8 through here. I'd like to go from the side, but I don't have anything to block this. I was hanging drywall all day yesterday, so my arms are on the ceiling, you know. Good enough for me. I know I should be clearing the hole, but you know, it's just for fun. Anyways, though, the official update is the huepar has been working out great for me. I would love to get the new Ryobi. You know, if I do, maybe I'll give the huepar away to someone. Comes with 2 4-amp-hour batteries. Let me know down in the comment sections. I'm not sure if I'll keep the huepar. I might, because it's been working out great for me. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you hanging in there on the channel with me. If you're new, I appreciate you watching as well. And get subscribed if you haven't. And hopefully I'll be able to make more regular content here shortly. Catch you guys all in the next one. Have a great night. Later.